I'm here with Filip van Laenen right after his talk. Hello, Filip.
Hi.
How are you feeling right after your talk, as I said?
I think it went well, so that's fine.
Okay. You talked about the cloud, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And I'd like to ask you like 3 questions related to this. You said it was like really important, all this cloud configuration. Why is it so important?
Yeah, if you don't do it properly and you don't automate it and make a script that you can roll out your environment easily, you will be doing a lot of work manually.
Yeah.
So you end up doing the same thing many times over and over again with small variations, and that introduces a lot of errors. So, and it takes a lot of time. So if you can automate it and script it, everything will be much better for you.
You work for with a lot of environments, right? How many? Do you know how many?
Usually we only have like 4 or 5 environments, but one of the advantages of scripting it is that you could actually just pull up a new environment whenever you want to, for example for a demonstration or for a short test or something. So we can scale up to 5, 6 or 7 environments as often as we want to.
So would you like to work with more environments?
One of the things that's easier now is to actually pull up one extra environment, because if you have only physical servers, you have to buy a new server before you can do that demonstration or that experiment. So it's much easier if you can just pull up a new environment in the cloud. Yeah.
As I understood, I don't know if I'm right or not, you depend on a third supplier when you work. What would happen if this supplier decides to raises the prices? I mean, are you independent enough to say, okay, let's work with another, or you're too close to with them?
Yeah, so first of all, in my experience, that vendor doesn't increase its prices, but what can happen is that another vendor decreases its prices faster. And what then would happen is that if another platform would be cheaper, then yes, we would probably be able to migrate it, but that would come with a cost. So it would have to be a trade-off. If we invest money to migrate to another platform, will that in the long run be cheaper than just continuing on the current provider?
Okay, so thank you for your time, Filip.
You're welcome. Bye.